to publish a Tableau Desktop Workbook to your Tableau Public profile, we do it a little bit differently than with Tableau Public. We click on Server, Tableau Public, Save to Public As, to log in. If you haven't created an extract already, you'll be prompted to. So let's show you how to do that. Go back to the data source, and in the upper right, click on Extract. And what this is doing is packaging the data with your workbook. Now we can go back to one of the visualizations and now go back to Server, Tableau Public, Save As, and I'm just going to label this CO2 map and click Save. And there's our viz.